Email marketing. Reach out to your customers with these simple tips. When did you check your email last? If you're a typical person, you download new email at least 2 times per day. If you are a business owner, email can be a highly reliable way to make contact and maintain communications with your ideal customers. Here are just a few of the best tips for email marketing. Minimize traditional email marketing activities during the holidays. Customers are preoccupied with family and friends, and are less likely to be paying attention to business email. Your odds of ending up in the spam box are considerably higher, which could have longer-term implications for your bottom line. The major exception to this would be a business directly related to the holiday activities. Otherwise, give yourself a break and enjoy some downtime yourself. Business will be back on track in a day or two. Continue offering incentives to customers after they sign up for your email list. For example, give customers a 10% discount if they remain on your email list for a month. This keeps customers from losing interest in your marketing materials and unsubscribing or deleting your emails after just a couple of newsletters. Don't include the use of newsletters in your email marketing campaign. You can send the people on your opt-in list relevant emails about particular topics instead. You will attract more people when they know that they will only be receiving information that they are interested in, and that they will not have to sift through an entire newsletter to get it. Using email is one of the most basic ways to communicate with business customers. Use this information when you are developing an email marketing campaign and you will see your profits increase. It is easy to promote the company through email and reaching out to customers. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.